Hey there, Rob. Kimberly here with Elite Roots Digital Marketing Agency. I reached out and spoke with Angie on Friday, promising this short video to give you a few tips to help you increase your online traffic. Now, I don't want to waste anyone's time, so at the end of this video, if you like what you've heard and would like any further help with getting more leads for your business, then give me a call. If not, no harm, no foul. Please take these tips and use them for yourself. If you could, the one thing I do ask is just for a sentence or two of feedback on this video, either in the comments or as a response to the email that sent you this link. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'd like to go over is your website and content. Now, one of the first things I did notice is your website is not secure, so that's really costing you quite a little bit in Google's eyes. Google does not like to send people to a website that's not secure, so they're not going to rank you as high just for that alone. As I kind of scroll through the rest of your website, I actually really kind of like the way you have things laid out. You've got a fair amount of content, but definitely not enough. Google really likes to see 1,500 or more words on a front page of a website. And what that does for you is not only Google's algorithms will rank you higher just for the content alone, but it also allows you to actually plug in more keywords and key phrases into your content so that you can be found for those keywords and phrases that you want to be found for. Some of the best keywords I've actually got pulled up over here for the Columbus, Ohio area at least, which is going to have your highest volume. So fence installation, Columbus, Ohio actually has a volume of 600. There's 600 people in a given month that are searching for this particular key phrase. Definitely one that you'll want to make sure that you have on your website a few times if possible. The more content, the better though, because really Google loves content. Content is king in Google's eyes. So really this is kind of my first tip for you, is just go ahead and see if you can get more unique keyword rich content for the front page of your site. And actually even these photos can be saved as keywords. So instead of polyvinyl railing 5, this particular one could be saved as porch building Columbus. I would have to look and see what keyword would be best for this particular one. But like down here, this could be, this one in particular could be saved as fence installation, Columbus, Ohio. Right there. There you go. Now you've got a keyword. Alright, so I'd like to go ahead and move on for right now, just to keep this video as short as I can. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the second thing I have for you, which is your Google My Business profile. So actually, I'll go ahead and pull you up first here. So as we see here, you've got some reviews going. That'd be one thing I'd really recommend, is just go ask your clients for as many 5-star reviews as you can get. That's really going to help you quite a little bit. You've got most everything filled out here. I did take a peek at your photos. You could really use some more photos. Your competition has a lot more photos than you. And when you're saving those photos to your computer first before you load them on here, make sure you're saving them as a keyword, because that's another place that you can get found for those keywords so that you pop up higher and faster in that Google Map Pack, which we're about to talk about. Last thing is your description. Definitely want to get a nice long description. I believe Google allows up to 500 words for your description. Use every bit of that if you can. So let's go back over here to a search. Notice I searched that highest volume keyword for the area because I want to see kind of where everyone's looking for that particular keyword. This area here is what is called the Google Map Pack, and this is where those top 3 Google business profiles are listed. Now there's actually 40% of the total search volume for this particular keyword that goes to these 3 businesses, whether it be phone calls or clicks to their website. So out of 600, we're talking 40% of that. So 250 plus a little bit is going to these 3 places instead of going to you. Now, and if I scroll down a little bit, we're going to see down here, this is the organic section. The top spot here is actually getting 30%. So between these top 4, so the top 3 in the Google Map Pack plus this top one here, we're talking 70% of your search volume of that 600 is going to those 4 places. So definitely those are the places you want to be. One other thing that really goes into your Google Map Pack is going to be citations. Now, and what is a citation? A citation is a listing of your business in different directories across the web. So your business listed exactly as it is in your Google business profile in places like Angie or Home Advisor, Yelp, Yellow Pages. All of those are directories. And you don't always have to pay for them. So you want to get into as many as you can. How do you get into more? Well, you look at where these top 3 places are getting all of their citations, where they're listed, and try and get into those exact same places, and then try and find even more. There's hundreds of directories actually out there. You just have to be able to find them. Alright, so the last thing I'd really like to talk to you about has to do with this bottom section, which is the organic section of Google. Now, and of course, your website, your content, getting those keywords in definitely matter so much as far as getting you ranked organically. But there's another even bigger factor, and that's backlinks and the strength of your website. So when I jump over, I'm going to jump over to a tool I like called Ahrefs. Now, and this is showing that you currently have 111 referring domains, giving you 452 backlinks, and that's ranking you for 178 keywords right now. Now, and what is a backlink? A backlink is just a link from one website back to yours, and they don't all come equal. Citations will give you backlinks, but those are not going to be super strong. A stronger backlink is going to be something from a site that is in some sort of relation to fencing or decking in some way, shape, or form. And maybe it's a blog or, comment section, something of that nature. There's lots and lots of ways to get backlinks out there. It's just a matter of knowing how to get them, really. Now, and if you take a peek over here at your competition, which is this Tredeos fence company out there in Columbus as well, they've got 122 referring domains, but that's giving them 939 backlinks and 305 keywords. Now, and if you see over here, this is the strength and trust of their website within Google's eyes. See how they're a lot stronger than you, but they don't really have a lot of additional domains and backlinks. I have a feeling that a lot of that actually has to do with the fact that your site is not secure. So getting your site secured, I would expect these to jump up a fair little bit, but you're still not beating your competition with that. So to beat out your competition, I always recommend at least another 50 referring domains past what your competition has. So you're really wanting to shoot for 175, 200 referring domains, and however many backlinks that gets you. It's really gonna boost your website, boost the strength of your website, and really get you found for all of those keywords that you do have and hopefully are going to add to your website so that people can find you. Now, and currently your competition is getting 540 clicks to their website, and you over here are sitting at 142 per month, of course. How do you get more, or what would you do with another 400 clicks to your website? Would you get 5, 10, 20 more clients from that? Wouldn't that be awesome? Alright, so that is all I really have for you today. I wanted to keep this as short as I could, so I don't want to go into anything any more in depth at the moment. But if you'd like to know more on how I can help you grow your business and bring you more new customers, please reach out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Please enjoy these free tips I've given you. Now, and if you don't mind, please do give me some feedback on how I did on this video. It would really be greatly appreciated. And I hope you did find everything I did helpful. And thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.